Yo, where we at? All right, oh, we've been live for a minute. All right, good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, we're live. About a minute into when we normally do this. I think we got the audio going right now. And yo, yeah, good morning. Market's pulling back, so might be able to take some entries on stream today. Also, just an update. If you were not paying attention in the Discord, uh, I did take profit on one of the Apple calls. I want to say took about 100 and I want to say it was at about 125% profit. So now I got a runner just kind of, I got one contract just running doing this thing and another just kind of doing what it does. So we got a little pullback on Lyft here. Oh, hey, Lyft might provide some opportunity too. But yeah, I'm looking at the SPY. I'd like to potentially take an entry on the SPY. See if we can come fill in this gap down to like this 657 area. What else? What else? Oh wait, hold up. Here we'll switch SoFi out for Apple. What is it? Apple? Yeah, we'll see if I think I would like to see Apple kind of continuous trend. It went on and kind of made this high, swept this liquidity. I would really like to see it get to 245. That would be cool, but kind of just got a runner going on that one. So that one's cool as well. Oh, okay. So no, it looks like there's two of y'all in here right now. We got, and one of y'all voted for a red day. Okay, okay. Let's see how we feeling. As long as my stuff's green, we got Meta green, we got Apple green, and I'm also looking at all right, top of the morning. Good morning, family. Hope all is well with you. Hey, let me know if there's any trades you're trying to monitor or anything. All right. I think I already have an alert set. I think I have an alert set on Lyft. Let me see. All right. So I'm also interested in Oracle. Oracle looks like it's pretty darn close to what I want for an entry. I wanna like think I'm looking at upside on Oracle. Want to see if we get a retest, or well, we're retesting this trend line, but I want to see if we can come fill this gap in. I think it might be a good move if we can do that. Kind of looking for upside. Get a couple weeks on it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. All right, yeah. Oracle's back to 305. I'm gonna start like looking at contracts for Oracle, but I'm not gonna pull any triggers yet. Have a 660 put for Friday. Think we drop after a rate cut? I'm personally gonna have to just wait and see. It's like we could drop after the rate cut. I'm hoping I can. I don't know. Kong top of the morning, top of the morning. Um, what was I gonna say? I'm. I don't know. I feel like we could chill. I feel like I feel like we're or something that I've learned and something that I've struggled with really is we are bullish until like kind of shown otherwise. And like anytime I try to like trade against it or try to like get ahead of the trend, the market keeps telling me like it can go up erratically a lot longer than it makes sense. So really just, you're along for this journey. Okay, Oracle's pulling back. Got a good little pullback on Oracle right here. Yeah, SPY pulling back some more. Either way, if you got 660 puts, hey, we're doing well. Doing well. All right, so also on the 15-minute, looks like there's some liquidity here on the SPY. Well, actually, it looks like it's been swept. So we'll see what the SPY does here. But if we do, hold up, I actually see a decent trend for the SPY actually. Let's see. There we go. I think this started yesterday. No, this was from Friday. So we got this trend right here. We just broke. This is the next touch point. Should we fall below this? The next touch point is not till like 657, so we could end up falling there. So 660 put might really run up then. But yeah, I like Oracle today. I like feel like there was something else I was watching. What was it? Oracle. Why is Robinhood up? Do I think pullback today? So I think, like, to me this is a pullback, and this is the pullback right now. But for me, I would like to see us pull back to this 58 kind of 50 area, or see us come to like this 657 kind of 50 area or 40 area, and I would think we can push up and try to test highs after that. Kong, when you said Tesla, were you saying you were asking about a pullback on Tesla, or were you saying like yeah, what were you saying? Because you said pullback and then Tesla. I thought you were talking about the SPY. Tesla, there's still like a little gap to this 396. So Tesla, I feel like Tesla comes below this 402, anywhere down to this like 396 area. It's a buy right now with the current momentum. But yeah, it's a good day for us to not. I don't know. This is good for today. This is good for us to sit here. It didn't make sense for us to just run up another day for no reason. Okay, so we're doing some selling off. I'm gonna come back down to a 15. Oh, I wasn't trying to do that on Oracle. Yeah, but still trying to sell off right now. This is good. Travis, top of the morning, definitely looks like a blood day. Hey, I'm here for it. I guess it just depends all on how fast it comes. I would think that we can get to this. This is my final goal for the day. If it comes to 657. So for me, this is kind of like a pullback opportunity kind of day. So I'm not gonna. I don't intend on trading anything to the downside, but I'll look for some swings I can enter. I have an open call expiring. Wait, a $10 open call, I'm assuming, expiring this Friday. Should I sell the call to hedge against it or just close it out? Let's see how much that's going for. So if we're trying to look at the, here we can open. Options, let's see. So open, it's about $10. Oh, well, it's about 49 per share. Hey, good morning, D-Scurve. Let's see. 48 cents per share. What price did you buy it at? And you're talking about selling a call against it. Well, if you sell a call against it, for instance, if you sold this one, this would be a credit spread. If you sold this one, it'd be a debit spread. But I guess it really depends on what you're looking for here. Let's look in the charts and see what it looks like is what's probable for the weekend for, what is it, open? Yeah, open. All right, so open pulled back. So this to me is at a, actually I personally, looking at it right here, this looks like a good pickup level. This 876. So I am not fully sure. Like it's kind of 50-50 right now. It's like ideally you want to kind of ride the trend, but also this isn't as quality of a name. This is more of a short squeeze kind of candidate. So it's like the volume is kind of tapering off. Yeah, the volume's tapering off for this one, which makes it a little difficult to kind of play. You got in yesterday at the top. Okay. So if you got in at the top, I assume you kind of rode it down. So it's like, it really depends on, I would say that if you're not sure, the best thing in my eyes is to cut out while it's still worth something. And then once something seems clearer to you, then use that money. But that is kind of, that's kind of up to you. I do like this kind of like a sweep of this 876 level for a potential entry. I like that idea because you have this super bullish momentum. You set this, and looking at where it came from, I would think it could at least push up to 1047. So that's kind of my take on the analysis. But I would say the big question is that going to occur by Friday? No idea. All right, D Scurve, good morning. Red before the green day. Hey, I don't know. I think it's a good little pullback opportunity. Good opportunity to scoop some stuff up. So we'll see. I want to see a little more red. You know, if we hit some levels, I will do some scooping of things. I'll pick some things up. It's like we got stuff pulling back, but not quite pulling back enough for me to take action. Here, I'm gonna go back to the 4 hour because I'm not like rushing on anything. BMNR, is it higher or lower than yesterday? I was looking at BMNR yesterday. So before we go to BMNR, I do want to say like I really like Oracle today. Look at this, Darren. Yo, break of the trend line, about to be at the we're getting a retest right here. Little gap fill, 13 EMA. This one might be money today, so I got an alert on this one that I'm watching. But BMNR, let's see. I was watching that yesterday. I just didn't. Oh, yeah, okay. Uh, so right here, kind of similar on BMNR, similar kind of what I'm looking for to open. Uh, I think BMNR is at a really good level right now, but I love it even more if it comes to this. Yeah, so hey, I think we may have found our contenders for the day if those levels get hit, I'm game. I'm game. Throw the budget at them and it's cool. But now just gotta kind of wait for the play the game of patience. Also, I had a question for y'all. All right, so here let me see if I can pull it up. Let's go. All right, so when it comes to the Discord, right? You know how I have where is it? My trades and whatnot. So I've been like kind of posting them. They've been posted through this right here because they're posted. Let's see. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Because I'm posting them on WAP, right? And I don't know. It's like me. It's nice I can just post them here and they'll post in the Discord. But it's like when they're posting in Discord, you have to like click on them to actually see the screenshot. So I just wanted to know like what's that like for y'all? Like are y'all seeing it? If not, I might just have to like I want to know what's like easiest for y'all. All right, let's see. Yeah, BMNR is at a solid price though. You said you saw it in Discord. No, it should be under here. Let me see. I think it's so under like in the premium section under Matthew's trades. If you kind of scroll down, that's where it is. So yeah, it's like if you get these, like for instance, if we look at the grab view post here, it takes you to the post on the WAP. Like, oh, this is the grab call I entered. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just want to make sure everyone does because it's like I understand there are people of all different sorts of ages here, and I know that like things that seem obvious to me may not be as obvious to everyone else. So I just want to make sure that everyone in here is kind of able to see and find things and taken care of. So if y'all are good, cool, cool. Hey, Spy might. We'll see. So Spy looks like it's trying to do that thing that it does, where this might be. It kind of may have made the low of day because there was a. It's weird because this liquidity swept this liquidity, so I wasn't sure that it was liquidity, but it looks like it might be sweeping that liquidity, which ideally would take it up to, I guess, 660. I don't know. It's kind of weird because it's liquidity that swept liquidity. But yeah, ideally it would take it up to 660 at least. So we'll see if that happens. But I don't know. I would like for us to just kind of move straight down to the little pickup zone. But the stock market doesn't like to move in a straight line, unfortunately. They just don't want to make it easy for us. Dang, we got like no green votes today. 75% red. Y'all are crazy. It's a very red day. You looking for wait, looking for the 299 level for calls on Oracle. Oracle, I was looking at I think I was looking at the 13 EMA. Yeah, so the 13 EMA is at like 302, but also like we got a gap fill to like 303. So I'm just honestly, yo, the level it's at, I'm gonna start looking at contracts right now on the cool. Let's see. Yeah, Oracle doing a little sell off. Oracle was costing some money though, so I wasn't I was looking at it earlier. I was like, oh no, I can't do this. It's like I have a budget. I like, okay, all right, I could get 3 weeks of time, kind of, or almost. There 17 days. What's the delta on that? Okay, what if I got 1 week less? Oh, that puts me a lot closer to money. What's the delta on that? Where'd the delta go? Oh, you know what? I think I like the what was it, like the one for October 3rd. I feel better with the little bit more time. I am looking at the. Actually, hold on. Let me check. Nah, I'll stay to that budget. Okay, but yeah, let's see what it's looking like right now. Okay. All right, got my eyes on Oracle. All right, so just so y'all know, I am looking at a 342 and 50 cent call on Oracle that expires October 3rd. That's just what I'm looking at right now. It's nice that I'm just with y'all so I can tell y'all what I'm looking at. I'm not too worried about one of y'all being a market maker. Cause if one of y'all are a market maker, yo, make the market for us, please. Hey, push the spy down for us real quick. Hey, also push Tesla down for us real quick. Might wanna buy something. But yeah, Oracle. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. And I feel a little bit better with that time. They also got the whole potential TikTok buyer thing going for them too. So I'm liking it. It's like that whole TikTok, them buying TikTok kind of comes off, and they're selling off. I'm like, okay, all right. If that actually goes through, they're gonna go back up. What is this red thing on my screen? Oh, it's a browser extension. Okay, Oracle pulling on back. It's pulling on back. Let's go. Can we fill in that gap? Oracle, you got a gap to fill. We got mouths to feed. What's the SPY looking like? The SPY is still holding up. Q's not quite holding up the same. Q's just coming on down. Probably just get one contract on Oracle though, because that gets above the budget for where I would want to grab two. What's the open interest for this actually? Go back. Where's the open interest? Oh, this is like a new contract. The 32 or 342.50. Oh, there's a lot at the 350 though, so okay. Okay, I'm cool with this contract. This contract's just a stop on the way. Okay. Hey, we'll take it. All right, so that's the end of the first kind of 4 hours. All right, Emson, it's top of the morning. Emson, you're the market maker. I can't get right, boys. Grand morning, everybody. What's D-Skirt? What's pumping? Matthew, when we hop in Oracle, I'm probably about to hop in right now. It's gonna be a little bit more than I typically like paying for options, but I'm probably about to hop in. Just let's see. Yeah, we're about right there. On that strike price. Okay, yeah, I'll have to be quiet about that. I guess we don't want him since knowing now. BMR looking good. Yeah, hey, let's throw the BMR in the Apples. Actually, we'll throw it in the Tesla spot for now. BMNR. Where's it at? Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm gonna need it to come and do the thing. Hopped out of your lift play before it reached 20. Oh, okay. Hey, Lyft might. Oh, that was another one. Lyft might be. I think they looked like they were pulling back to a suitable level. Come on, Oracle, you can do this. Jumped in on BMR a little early. Hey, no, honestly, in the grand scheme of things, D-Skirt, it's probably not going to make too big of a difference. But it's like, since I'm right here, I try to. I'm gonna be here anyway. I'm like, yo, let me try to bottom tick. It doesn't make too much of a difference right now, I don't think. let's see. Holding my lift and SoFi, they're both still up. I saw SoFi sold off kind of hard today. Let me see. Where's SoFi? Yeah, SoFi had a solid pullback this morning, but we do have this trend line that's still respecting. So that's actually a good healthy pullback on SoFi for now. All right, Oracle trying to pull on back. Let's see it. Oh, we got the was it the Q selling off more? Oh, they said they're not done. Yeah, that's when you win. D-Scurv, you win on the buy. All right, let's see. D-Scurv sold 2 of your Apple calls in profit, and the last one like you. What strike did you get on the apples? Did you get the exact same ones I had, or did you get some other ones? And y'all know I entered those Apple calls because I was just making a video and I was like, oh, these look like decent contracts. So yeah, I was just trying to create some content for y'all. I probably would have been chilling with 2 trades yesterday, but I was like, oh, yeah, Apple looks all right. So I'm glad you were able to eat off that. Wait, what was that? Oh, wait, hold up. Oracle pulling back a little bit. Where's BMNR? Okay. Yeah, we pulling on back some more. Let's get it. Oh, also, when I said the thing about SPY hitting 660, yeah, it pretty much did that. Okay, Oracle. Okay. Let's get it. Okay. Okay. Hey, I'm here for this. You know what? Oh wait, hold on. Let me put an order in. All right. I picked up one here. I picked up one and I paid, what did I pay? Oh, $2.91 per share. All right, let's note that right there. Okay. I'm in there. Now let's alert the family. Where's Oracle? All right. Let's run on over to WAP. And now we're watching out for BMNR as well. Okay. Wait, where are we at? Where are we at? Oh, Matthew's trade alerts. Here, let me see if I can. Just picked up a 242.5 call on ORCL. Paid $2.91 per share. All right, let's see. Let's throw that photo in there. Okay. Where we at? All right, let's see. Oh, put and call on SPY, which is going to win. So this could be the last area. This could be kind of the bottom for the day. We are like oversold on this is a 15, but this could be the bottom for the day. There is some small liquidity here. This is a touch point on the trend line, so it'd be a good one. I would think if we don't end up kind of buying up from here, that we could make our way down to like this 657 kind of 50 area. I'm kind of just waiting to see what happens. It's like I'm kind of leaning towards up, but I would like to see it pull back some more. I don't know. Let's see. So I'm jumping ahead. Emson said, when does Oracle expire? I got October 3rd. All right. You got the 225 call expiring the 10th. Oh, that's a solid. Yeah, that's a solid one. 40 average up to 63. Now sold 2 at 60 earlier. Non-stop loss set. Apple. I say the call going to win on the SPY. Yeah, that's kind of where I would lean to if you just got them. That's kind of what they like to do. Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of the direction I would lean. Like I wouldn't be like if I were voting, I would like and now we're coming in right now. I would vote on the SPY closing green because it's only down like 120. And y'all know how they like to do. George, what's up? Top of the morning. Good at oh no, it's still morning here. But good afternoon to you, George. Hope all is well. You're in Florida, Eastern time. Oh yeah, you're about an hour ahead, so yeah. What's the weather like out there right now? Oh, actually, hold up. First off, what part of Florida? I know you got like different vibes of Florida, so. All right, so we're pushing up a little bit on this vibe. Let's see. Let me go back to the 4 hour real quick on this vibe. Where's this? Does this EMA line up with anything? Oh, that's about midway. Okay. South Florida, hot and humid with thunderstorms in the afternoon. Oh yeah, the hot and humid sounds about right. Thunderstorm in the afternoon. Guess that just kind of depends on the day. So in about, was it 20, a little under 26 hours, we'll get the Fed rate cut decision. And then I think we'll see how the market will respond to it. I think if we get if we get the cut we're expecting, I think it will still like go up a little bit more. Just a little bit. I think we might still have at least another week in us at the least. Palantir looks a mess today. Yeah, I see it I saw it on a chart over here. I see it like, I was like, oh, it's below 170. Let's see. Where'd it go? Oh, Palantir looks like it's about to break down. Hey, last time we saw this, do I have it on the chart? I feel like there was a different point. I don't know. I think saw it over here maybe. Was it over here? I don't know. Last time we saw it, like when it went below, that was the time to take the put. I don't want to take a put on Palantir though, so I'm not going to. But that was the time last time. But yeah, they got this little trend. It looks like they're trying to break it, but this could also just end up being liquidity and they can push up. So I'm not trying to go. Since you said you don't see that strike on Oracle, you said you see much higher. What strike did I share? Hold up. Did I share the wrong one? I said 245. Oh, yes, 345. Sorry. There we go. Yes. That was supposed to be 345. My bad. What just happened? Let me see if I can go edit it. Should it be nice if I could get a 345? But yeah, it was a 342.5. And it expires on the 3rd. Yeah, my apologies. It just seems like Oracle was just in the twos, you know? All right, so it looks like we're trying to make a little move up. I would like to, yeah, I would like BMNR to do some backward pulling too, but we'll see. D-Scurv might have sniped, might have got his little snipe in. Or we could just pull back some more. And hey, Apple trying to push up again too. I'm cool with that. You said add it to the watch list just in case. Okay. Oh, let me check and see what time this meta event is real quick. What is it? Here, let's see. All right, so wait, hold up. Meta leaked its own announcement about its new smart glasses display before its Meta Connect event. The leaked videos show Ray-Ban and Oakley glasses with advanced tech features. As yeah, I'll have to try those when they come out. M-Sense. Yeah, I know you got the. Actually, I got my metas right here. Hold up. Only thing I don't like is I think I kind of scratched up the lenses a little bit. Think definitely need to be clean. I think I last wore these to the pool. I saw something about like it kind of being like bad to wear sunglasses, like it having like an overall more negative effect on your body, because your body is like, you know, that the light coming in through your eyes like does things for your body. So I was like, I hadn't worn my shades in a while, but let's see. You said you think Lyft is going to get over 2050 today. You got two here. Let's see. Oh, you said you're working on your third. Why you got so many? Okay, hey, balling. I know these things are not cheap. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you remind me of my middle brother. Let's see. What was I? Oh, I was looking at Lyft. Let's see. Where's Lyft? Bro, is Lyft even on my list? Here, let's add them. I don't think they're on my list for some reason. Nope, they were not. Okay. All right, so I want Lyft to come back and touch this 13 EMA before it goes up. Like if you look at it, it's really been respecting this 13 EMA on the 4 hours. So yeah, I would like to see him come to like. It looks like it'll probably end up being around like 1950 or so. $19.94. That's like 3 years before I was born. All right, let's see. We're still trying to push down. Still trying to push down. That's cool though. Let me get some BMNR. Here, let me switch this back to Meta. Let's see. Oh, even Meta kind of selling off a little bit now too. All right, let's see. Ray-Ban Meta, clear lens first, then sunglasses next. Now I want the latest with clear frames, and yeah, I'll probably end up going for I guess I'll probably go for the clear lens, or I might try to like my next prescription. I might go for that. Might throw my prescription in them. That way I have like an actual reason to wear them. Cause now I got these and I'm like, yo, I'm not really trying to wear sunglasses like that. So D Scurv, it was a good year. Are you talking about? Oh, you said Lyft. Okay. Where did it start the year out at? Let's see. Oh wait, I'm not going to see the year on this time frame. So it started around like 12 something. Okay. Oh, you're talking about, okay, I got you. 1993, 1 year after you graduated from high school. 1993, the year I graduated college. Hey, I'm glad when you graduated. I'm glad when both y'all graduated where it was a good year. I'm glad. When I graduated college, it was COVID. I got a little 2 second slide on the PowerPoint. But hey, it's led us to where we are now, so it's all good. Bro, could not get any like real jobs out of college. I went from working at Walmart to working at Best Buy. Best Buy was fun until they started like harping on like I don't know. It's like people stopped spending as much money, and then they were like, "Yo, we need these numbers," and then it stopped being fun. It's like, "Yo, I don't know why you're pushing these numbers on us when we don't even have people coming into the store." And it's like, what was most fun for me was like showing people, like actually saving people money in the long run. It's like yo, you are coming in to get this. You want to spend like, I don't know. It's like some people are like, oh yeah, I just want this. But I'm like, yo, you will be back very soon if you get that. I'm like, yo, this is what you want. So sometimes I would upsell people, but it would be for their own good. So they ended up spending less money. And then like it was just cool to like see people's eyes kind of widen up whenever like things were connected. So Best Buy was fun. But nah, whenever people started whenever they're like, "Oh yeah, we got to yo, everybody needs to walk out here with a credit card." I'm like, "Yo, these people don't need credit cards." It's like the people who are going to get approved for the credit cards don't need it, and the people that want it should not have it. So it's like I'm like, "Yo, I'm going to need y'all to chill. I'm going to need y'all to chill trying to push these credit cards on people." But all good. Got you got 2020 so far. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. Probably not 2020 anymore, but until hey, that's cool. Hey, D Scurv, tough times make strong men. So hey, I'm kind of looking forward to see what men start to turn out. Like what men are being forged right now, cause yo, we had that. Honestly, 2020 was kind of chill. Then we got the kind of soft, but now it looks like things are kind of like hardening up again. So yo, we got some men being formed right now. Um, so it's like while there is a level there's an area of like yo concern for the future. I'm also very optimistic for the future as well. So Oop. So yeah, ultimately we'll see what happens. We know who wins in the end, but yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's time. Hey, it's time for the forge. That it is. Yeah, definitely. Yes. 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 I've been working here since 1990. Really? Okay. I love the job. Pay could be better. Always. Always. Wish I discovered trading much sooner. They twisted my arm to get me in a 401k plan like SMH, live, learn, earn. Hey, at least you got a 401k though, because a lot of people, like, I'm assuming they have a employer match. A lot of people wouldn't take advantage of that, and it's like they also wouldn't be saving. So it's like if you got it, it's cool. It's like I'm sure it's gonna benefit you at some point. It may not be the best thing, but it's like really good, and like even like going up to that match, it's good. But I thought like honestly kind of talking about me like and like the roughness of the jobs I've had. It's like in a sense they were easy, but also in a sense they were hard. And like just because it's like all the jobs I had, they were all like kind of on the cool. I had a lot of freedom for Best Buy up until things got slow. Like Best Buy was like super chill, super chill. But yeah, the economy slowed down. Then they're like, oh yeah, we got to do this. But yeah, it's like yeah, all the jobs I worked at and how micromanagey all the jobs are. I'm like, yo, nah, I need to do something where I can work for myself. I need to figure something out because yo, I don't want to sit here and be like yelled at by these people, and they're like telling me things I understand. Um, I don't mean it in a disrespectful way, but most of them were. I don't even know how to say this without sounding like arrogant, so I feel like I should just not say it. But it's like, yeah, I didn't feel like I didn't love people telling me what to do. And oftentimes I didn't like the way people told me what to do. It's like one thing if you ask me kindly, it's like, yo, happily. But, it's like when you tell me, it's like, nah. For some reason, I don't respond well to that. Or I might respond well, but it's like, quietly, I don't like it. And I just work towards doing my own thing. It's not 401, but very similar. Oh, okay. Oh, you said 401k like plan. You did say that. Okay. Yeah, I love that I finally got in and left it alone. It saved me a few times. I preach it now. That's why, that's what it is. Saving lives. In some sense, I would encourage you to. Honestly, I don't know what your time looks like. I know you got a lot going on, but shoot, I would encourage you to do it more. I don't feel like I see your name pop up as much as I'd like. I don't think Big Reg is here, but I know I see his name every Friday. And like I'll see other people too. Need to see more incense. The new 100. Ooh. Sorry y'all. Got this fan on. I just have random things on my desk. The market is chilling. Well, it's kind of pushing back up. I think it's up from here. That's usually how it goes when it looks like this, but we'll see. What's the Oracle looking like on the 15? Also, what's it look like on the daily? Let's. Ooh, I didn't even think about looking at Oracle on the daily. We'll have to see where this closes out, but I don't love seeing that on the daily for Oracle. It's like another black candle, and it's up here. Like I would like to see it push up more. This might. Good thing is, got time on it, and I still feel like we should be okay. Like at least coming into. Like coming in, like should I decide I need to like bail out on Oracle, I think I should still be okay because still got like over 20k or 24 hours until what is it? Until the Fed decision. So I'll watch that. Maybe it'll push up. Hood pushing, bounced off the 10 EMA. Are you talking about on the 4-hour? I did see it like kind of moving up. I was like, oh, why is it? What's up with Robinhood? So it found some kind of support at this 114 level. Honestly, it was a decent level. It was a decent pullback. It wasn't one I was looking for, but honestly, right here, it pretty much came to the 48 EMA as well. Yeah, I would say that was solid. What's the weekly looking like? I think it'd be amazing to get a revisit of this 106 level. Filling that gap. I think that could happen. More active on Facebook and IG. Also now more focused on trading. I'm finally actually getting it. Last I keep getting told to stop trying to help others, just do me. I mean, first and foremost, you should be looking out for yourself. Like you definitely come first. And it's like you cannot help anyone until you help yourself. And I kind of for the longest try to like help people before I help myself, but I don't know, I feel like ever since I started helping myself first, I was able to like you're able to do more when you take care of for others when you take care of yourself first too. Like if you're trying to help everyone every step of the way, you're not going to be able to kind of move forward. So it's like, yeah, take care of yourself, but also it's like you trying to help others, that could be how you take care of yourself. When I was in school and learning, oftentimes whenever I wanted to remember something, like a little study habit is like, hey, you need to be able to teach this to somebody else. All right, I think when I first got on this channel, I learned a lot of concepts by making videos. Like a lot of stuff people would just kind of ask like, oh, how do you do this? How do you do this? And I'm like, yo, I don't know, but I will look it up. And then I make a video about it. And I used to like kind of script all my videos, and honestly, they thought they probably were more fun and more interesting to watch back then. But it's like in me like teaching others, I did better myself. And honestly, if someone tells you to stop, if you like what you're doing or if you feel good about it, like keep going. The haters are they're always going to be someone trying to tell you to stop, not to do it, to give up. But yo, don't let the hate stop you. Keep going. Sometimes I feel others have tools I don't, and if I had what they had, I'd flourish, but they don't see it. Nah, M sense. It doesn't matter what others have that you don't have. It's like I think what really matters is the fact that like it's just that you keep going, keep trying. The fact that your brain is working and that you know like you have the capability of doing anything is like I think what's kind of instilled the most confidence and like kind of not stopping me is looking at like everybody who is where I want to be, everybody who is anywhere, and everybody who has like admiration or whatnot. It's like I'm really big on people's stories and like what was going on in their life when no one paid attention to them. It's like when I talk to you, it's like it's cool. Oh, you're this high ranking official or high ranking whatever, or you do this at this level. That's cool and all. But I want to know where you came from. I mean, also I want to know where you're going to, but it's like I want to know where you came from. I want to know how you got it. It's like I think it's a lot more respectable whenever you've been through some things. And yeah, it's like when you don't have the tools and you're able to kind of get it out the mud, you are able to influence other people in that position. The people who have less are going to listen more to you because you come from an area with, or come from having nothing. So it's like, yeah, other people are more advantaged, but also that's them being advantaged is also usually a crutch for them because they don't try as hard. So that's kind of my rant on that. That's the other thing. Others are so good. I'm not sure if I'm ready to advise. You don't have to advise. It's like you don't need to advise. There are a bunch of people way better than me. But thing is, if you're doing something, you just need to be one step ahead of your audience. That's like, and it's like if you're not one step ahead of them, then they're just your peers. And if they're your peers, you just need to connect with them and, like actually talk to them. But it's like, you only need to be one step ahead of somebody to do something. Say you're playing basketball and you I don't know, you got this like you have an amazing jump shot, and it's like, bro, you got a friend and you can fix their jump shot, but that's all you got. You just got an amazing jump shot, and it's like yo, you're a step ahead of them. You got one thing they don't. That's like, it could, like them building that jump stop shot could be a step that they need to take on their journey to being like an all around good player. And you know, you being a step ahead of them with that jump shot, it could end up down the road taking them to the league. So I don't know. It's like, you know, just know you have value, you have something to teach, and while there are people ahead of you, there are people behind you as well. There is something to learn from everyone. So it's like you just have to realize your position in things. Going through it, still in it, just want them to come with me instead of getting out and coming back. I will do what I want them to outdo me with the advice. Wait, I gotta read that again. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, people come out and they come back. That's one of those things. It's like that. Sometimes you get attached to people, and then it's like, yo, they go on, they do their own thing, but it's like sometimes it's good. Like it's good whenever people outgraduate you sometimes. Sometimes it's just like a connection thing. Other times it's like, all right, they've kind of learned everything they can, and it's like it's time for them to go out and leave the nest. Low key, somebody like shot me a DM yesterday, or maybe it was over the weekend. I don't know, but they said something like, "Hey, I think I messaged you some time back about trading, right?" And I'm like, I mean, first off, when someone says that, I'm like, yo, if we let's just scroll up on the messages, and I'm like, oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I see messages from 2020 with this person, and it's like, yeah, that does look like it happens. It was somebody that didn't have a user, like a picture on their account or like a real username. So it's like, I have no idea who you are. So I can't really, I couldn't really say if I didn't scroll up. But it's like, it looks like they kind of found their way back to me somehow from 2020 to not doing anything with me to I don't know how they found their way back, but they did. Apple on 1 hours and golf looking like a call. Hey, here, let's see. Let's look. 1 hour. So engulfing to me would be if this candle like kind of opened down here and was completely green and closed green. So engulfing to me means like let me like double check. I don't want to tell you anything wrong, but I believe it's like all right, so yeah, like this. Wait. Okay. So oh, okay, it might be weak engulfing. All right, to me this is the only kind of engulfing I know. It's like where the full body of the candle is like swallowing the candle before it. So I still wouldn't say it's like I wouldn't say it's engulfing like that though. That's just me personally though. It kept creeping up after you put. Hey, No worries. I'm gonna go back to the 4. All right, Oracle's at that 13 EMA. IWM's is at a good level. Here, let's see. Oh man, it looked like BWM or BMNR was looked like it was getting there a moment ago, but here, let's see. IWM. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh wait, that's a 1 hour. I was like, hold up. That is. Oh yeah, hold up. Yeah, it's been finding life at these 13 EMAs. So this trend line is more of a major buy. But yeah, this looks like a good buy on this current trend. All right, so it looks like SPY like went to his like short term. Actually, no. Got pretty close. Or maybe it did. Let's see. Oh no, I was talking about it was a different strike. Never mind. No, it didn't. Either way, I'm liking Apple right now. Come on, Big Apple. Do that thing. And I'm not talking about New York. I just thought about the fact that some of y'all like to call it the Big Apple. Why is New York referred to as the Big Apple? I need answers. The Garden of Eden? Really? Word. I gotta look this up. All right, BBAI hit the target. Okay. That's cool. Oh, you said that's your take. Okay. Wait, why would that be your take? I gotta look it up. Why is New York Oh, there it is. Because a 1920s horse racing journalist, John J. Fitzgerald, I've heard that name, popularized the term when he heard about which he heard from New Orleans stable hands, referring to New York City's prestigious racetracks as the Big Apple, symbolizing the ultimate prize or goal for racers. Okay. The more you know. Okay. I think horses like apples. I've never been to a horse race. I guess we just gonna chill here. Yeah, I think we're just waiting for this decision tomorrow. I would think tomorrow we can I'll kind of end up we'll probably go to the top of the range again. Probably like retest it. Shoot, I won't be mad if Oracle wants to revisit this area up here, or even revisit resistance from today. I won't be mad at that. Let's see. Oracle. Let's go, Oracle. Oh yeah, this 4 hour candle looks like it. Hey, looks like there might be some buying pressure. See where they can push it. I like that. Let's see it. Oh, hold up. Let me see what time my wife goes to work. Looking like you called that bottom to it. Hey, I'm hoping. I'm hoping D Scurv. You might have got BMNR. Yeah, I would hope so. I'll say it's too early to celebrate, but yeah, we got that little break and retest. That retest of the trend line. Or a retest of the EMA as well? Was there another reason? I'm not sure. I think it was just those two. Oh, also in the fill of the gap. That's 3 reasons right there. 2 of them are kind of the same. So far, so good on BMNR. Yeah, my only thing on BMNR is I just would want a sweep of liquidity. But also, hold up. This is kind of like a sweep to the. So it sold off. Boop. Made a high. Made a higher high. Oops. So okay. So that already sold off. Yeah, I don't know then. Let me open that Oracle up here real quick, just so I can see where it is. And let me make sure I go for the 2. What is it? Where is it? The 245 instead of the 345. So that. All right, there we are. All right, SPY at 660. Trying to push on up. Okay, Oracle is in the green now. Okay, or at least on this candle. It was already it's been in the green for the day, but hey, yeah, push up. Let's go. Apple, you can push up more now too. I feel like I need a nap. Oh yeah, Meta, you can do your thing too. Hey, we're never mad at you going up. Meta, you are $1,000 stock. Act like it. Actually, everything on this screen, you are $1,000 stock. Act like it. Amen. Yes, sir. Oh, what do I say? Oh, I forgot she just. I forgot she's at the store. I was over here thinking she's here. Okay. Yeah, I'm a fan of this little push. Nice after that sell off. Reunited and it feels so good. Reunited. Okay. Oh, Grab came back up. Grab is sold off this morning. I'm like, oh, that's how we want to play. Got a small little bouncy bounce going on. Apple kind of like ran for it this morning. I'm like, oh, it's like that. Was there a catalyst or was that just volume? Apple's revenue. That was there yesterday. 7 Indian AMCs hold. Let's see. Apple commits to $600 billion US manufacturing expansion. Apple initiate. Oh, they got to outperform at Bernstein. Okay, so they got some price target upgrades. That's part of it. That's a good look right there. Apple Intelligence rolls out across devices. Okay, nice. They actually got the Apple Intelligence working now. Okay. That's been like almost a year since they were supposed to do that. Okay. I'm here for it, Apple. See if we got anything on. Oracle stock rises on hopes for a TikTok deal, but will it finally happen this time? Software companies are fighting back with AI. Okay. Oracle dumps in pre-market on Tuesday as AI cloud momentum lifts investor optimism. Oracle stock jumps again. It's a TikTok thing. So TikTok, I think there was a point when I was like kind of upset about TikTok going away, but I feel like I've gotten to a point with TikTok where it's like I don't know, I don't even really open it anymore. I used to find it like almost like addicting, but it's like there are times I try to go on it and I'm like, all right, let's see what's going on here, and I'm not on it longer than honestly longer than like 5 minutes. Even if I try, I'm like, okay, I'm done here. Okay, Apple. Are we trying? Hey, trying again. Ooh, that was wow. Oh, okay, yo, SPY pushing. Looks like we may have a. Hey, look at that. Hey, we got a little trend line going up now. Got a little line for support. Let's see it. Let's see it. Looking good. Looking good. So it's get rid of this. Oh yeah. Push up Oracle. Think I'm in the green on that now too. What is BMN? Oh, BMNR had like a. Yo, I saw that like 155. Okay, BMNR is pushing too. Okay. Yeah, we just. Hey, bullish. Yo, let's go. Let's see. Oracle. Hey, I'm up more on Oracle than I thought. Wait, is that the Nah, hold up. Oh, this number is not updating. No, yes it is. Hold up. Is this wrong? Nah, it's right. Why we got two different? Hold up. Did I get the? Oh no, I got the wrong strike price on here. No one told me. Hold up. I got the 245. It was the 242. Let me go to my watch list. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong Oracle. I'm over here thinking, oh, it's only up this much. But it was, or once again, not the 3. It was the 342.50. I got the 345. What is that? I gotta make sure I get the right date. Here we go. Let me take that other one off. Yeah, I was like, why am I up so much? Something wasn't adding up. Okay. Well, that was a pleasant surprise. Hey, grab up too. We put. Hey, shoot. Yeah, the portfolio. It's appreciating the day. Yeah, grab. Hey, up 30%. We like it. That's up $45 a share or per contract. Bro, Meta looking good. Apple looking good. Oracle looking good. Oracle already got 19%. Yo, really can't complain. Oh yeah, Meta on the move again. That's the one I really want to see moving. This morning when I saw Oracle, so this morning I saw Oracle like I woke up like earlier. I think 3 a.m. Like I did not sleep well last night. My wife, she bought me like this is that same place, that La La Land place. She went again and she brought me the same kind of matcha, and like it was late. It was like almost 5 p.m. yesterday, and sometimes I forget matcha has caffeine, and it's like, yo, I did not sleep well. Like I was waking up all through the night. I feel like I need a nap right now, but yeah, I did not sleep well last night. It's like I was like resting well, but I did not like sleep because I was like, in a sense, like wired. And why did I even bring this up? I don't know why I brought it up, but now y'all know I had some matcha yesterday and I didn't sleep. Oh, that's what I brought it up because, okay, this morning at like 3 a.m., I woke up, or actually, I woke up at like 2 something, but I saw the market at like 3 a.m. and, I see Oracle gapped up to like 313, 314 or something. Or I guess they opened and gapped up to like 308, but I see them at like 314. I'm like, yo, this might be the play today. And then they like run up to 320. I'm like, oh, that opportunity might be gone. Then I see them at 312 like on this last candle. I'm like, oh, I'm kind of foaming at the mouth. All right, I'm ready. And then I'm like, no, not yet. I get an alert that we come below the support for the morning. I'm like, oh, okay. And then we come down and we finally like pull back here. I'm like, oh, already, and now we're in. So that's my Oracle story. Dang, should have grabbed some BMNR. I knew it, but I didn't. Lift trying for that 2050. Well, it got back to 2010. I'm about to set a stop loss. Yeah, stay in the profits. Yeah, I let grab slip away. It'll be back and I won't miss it that time. You say you're too tired. We need you on robot mode. No, I haven't used Derive. Let me see. Let me check in on Derive real quick. Oh. Hold up. It looked like they made some updates. Derive AI Oracle. They got the chart. AI optimizations. Here. Let me see if my login still works. I don't feel like doing the Google thing. Let's see what the features. Find winning setups, optimize every trade, manage your risk, high converting traders, smart, fast pace and active, sharper, no fluff. Okay, so they got the screener, the optimizer, IDA. Okay. So no, I don't. I haven't used it, and the reason I kind of like slow down and like, or I guess kind of like haven't used it is because I don't know. It's like there would be like trades and whatnot, and they would be like solid, but it's like it's like once you get certain data or once the data kind of occurs, I don't know, it's like there would be targets and I would look at the targets, but it's like after you buy them and after there's so many people buy them, the targets kind of change because of the people in it. So that's the people in the trade or like the volume in the trade. That's I don't think I am a large enough trader to really affect that. But it's like I feel like when I was live streaming to everyone, I feel like certain trades and certain things will get affected. Like I would say, like if I got in a certain strike, I would kind of watch the volume and activity for it, even if it wasn't like right there at the money. Like all of a sudden, everybody else would kind of be attracted to that strike too. I would watch the volume on the actual like the trading volume. I'm like, yo, why is this strike getting all that? And I like a big, and it's like when the market makers see like, yo, what do you mean no data? Okay, I thought the stream was about to end. But yeah, it's like when the market makers see like, oh, further strikes are starting to get attention, and they'll start trying change things. Oh, Oracle. All right. Oracle's up 26% now. Okay. Yo, let's go Oracle. Oh, hold up. Spelled that wrong. But M-Sense, going back to that comment you said about the AI Matthew. Loki, I've tried to create an AI version of myself. Or at least AI clone my voice. Every single one I've ever tried, my voice has come out sounding kind of like Indian. And that is I don't sound Indian. It's like I've always kind of wondered, like, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people can fall in between some kind of generic voice sounds, but I don't think I've ever heard anyone that sounds like me. It's like they might have similar like intonations and whatnot, but I've never heard anyone that sounds like me. I feel like most of the time when people hear my voice, it's like they know it's me, which is very interesting. Very interesting thing to say. But oh, maybe I need to do something involving my voice. I don't know. Get to those bedtime stories. Be a voice actor. I know a voice actor. It's like a voice actor for like a anime. I don't remember what the show is. I'm gonna look it up just because I got the time. Let's see. Oh, so I think it's a couple shows. One is called like Trillion Game. Yeah, AI can't copy. Yeah, I guess not. No, AI goes too hard to copy the calm demeanor. No, I'm kidding, but yeah, I have no idea. But yeah, AI is not. I would imagine there's probably an AI that could, but they don't do it very well. The stuff that's available to me, nah, it does not work very well. I even have some that I pay for. Come on, six. Oh dang, yeah, BMNR is running. Apple, like this candle looks good, but it's kind of like it's chilling a little bit. Meta. I might have to hold up, let's see. Let me check in on Meta real quick. Yeah, Meta's up like 156 percentage wise. What was my total cost? It was like I bought 2 contracts at 155 each. Oh yeah. Yeah, I may end up sliding some off the table on Meta, like de-risking, removing like taking profit on a contract, and just letting the other one run. Cause yeah, Meta's gone enough to allow for that to happen. But not quite yet. Meta going ham right now. Hey, that it is. My goodness. Hey, we like to sell into strength. What time? Oh, that was. Yeah, but Meta is doing this thing. Oh, let me check the trend. No, yeah, it's still yeah, it's still doing this thing. I might just set a stop on one of them. Ooh. Or let's come down to a lower time frame. Oh yeah, it's crossing back up on. Oh yeah, it just caused some volume. What's this candle gonna look like? Solid green candles on the 5. Hey, for real. Yeah, it's it caused some volume. Look at that. It looks like the old AT&T singular kind of raising the bar. BMNR miss. Yeah, BMNR is ready for liftoff. Hold on. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Meta doing a little pushy push. We'll take it. BMNR and Meta both rocket shit. Hey, let's see Meta or let's see BMNR on the. Let's see what it's looking like on the lower time frame. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, they got to go side by side. Apple. Sorry, we're gonna have to do a little swappy swap. All right. So BMNR. Yeah, we're coming down here. Let's get them side by side and buddied up. There we. Yes. Yes. Is there some sort of correlation here? Because it looks like it. All right, and we'll throw Apple up here. There we go. It's crazy. BMNR is stronger. My goodness. BMNR looking strong. A lot more overbought, but it's like, yo, it's looking strong. Meta bought 2 contracts, should have bought 5. What strike did you get? Which contracts did you get, D Scurv? Wow. Hey, Oracle, look to the left. That is the behavior we would like around here. Oh, I found a little trouble at the 4080 EMA. Come on, Oracle, you got this. Or maybe it needs to bounce off the 13 before it can just go. But yeah, we got the SPY going up. We got the Qs. $50 strike price, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got paid. You got paid with the 50 strike. Yeah, that's deep in the money. Now. Nice. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, Meta. I'm gonna come down to a 1 minute or 2. Let's see. Dang, still. Looking very good. Very, very good. All right, so I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna set a stop on 1 contract of Meta. Oh, there's a decent spread on it. I'm like, oh. That's like I had a price I wanted to set it at, but that spread's kind of wide. It get filled like almost right away. Oh, it's trying to move up now. We'll see. I'm still here monitoring it. We'll see if we can continue to make progress. But yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool to take profit now and just leave the runner. Feel like, oh yeah, left my risk. Let's see. Stop. Hold up. Nvidia puts on the rise per Moomoo time. Really? Hold up. Sorry, Apple. Oh, hold up. Wait. Let's see. Where are we at? Where is my super suit? All right, I sold one contract of Meta at $3.90 per share, and now I just got one runner. Okay, let's see. Let me get in the WAP real quick, and just took profit on one of the Meta calls, sold out at per share, leaving one contract to possibly run. All right, let's get those pictures in there. All right, let's see. Nvidia puts on the rise. Time to back up the truck on calls. That looks like a bull flag to me on Nvidia. Hold on. So when I zoom out, oh, I mean, depending on what time frame you're looking at, cause yeah, if you come out to something like this, yeah, it's like if you zoom out enough, yeah, it's a bull flag. Here, so now it's like oh, they kind of actually might. What's that tool? Where is it? Where's the tool? I think this is it. If hold up, I forgot how to use it. Let's see. Yeah, it might be getting ready to break out to the upside potentially. Potentially, I mean, you know, we'll see when it decides it wants to do something, but yeah, it looks like we got the potential. Let me throw a little alert over here. There we go. Yeah, so got an alert on the channel. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. I have to be more responsible with my trades now, so I will wait for confirmation, but yeah, that looks like that's a good one to look out for. If it wants to come down here, I'll get in a lot easier. Also because there's like some liquidity right here as well. So it's crazy how there is like so many different ways a trade can lead you to do the same thing, but yeah, that's good stuff right there. They say follow the money too. So those puts might. Yeah, I mean, if we got puts now, the bottom of this range is like 164. So that's a sizable move right there. That's an $11 move. We did also, honestly, we're pretty. Hold up, hold up, hold up. What, we got like a trend here? Oh wait, yeah, we didn't do anything yet. What this is? Hey, what kind of cheap? Let's see. Maybe we can get like $100 swing or something. Let's see. Let's see. But I still want time. What's the? Hold on. Let's look at the what unusual activity. Oh, I see like $100 puts, 175 puts for this Friday. No wait, it's trading at 175. Okay. I was about to say, okay, I see 170, 160. Those are calls. I mean, yeah. Yeah, should it get nasty? Let's see. Let's look at the options chain. So that's that. Um, Delta. Nah, I think I'm chilling for now. Think I'm chilling. Yeah, at the moment I'm chilling, but this will be when I watch. But yeah, we'll know D Scurv called this one kind of. But yeah, I'm gonna just have to sit on my hands for that one. All right, market kind of pulling back a little bit. Well, Oracle kind of pulling back a little bit again. I think Apple kind of pulled back too. Hold up. All right, let me go back to like a 4 hour on Meta. Much more relaxing. Yo, I gotta eat something. Yes, BMNR is also pulling back. I'll say it still looks healthy right now. But yeah, we're pulling back, doing some backward pulls. I'll swap out Meta for quick check on Grab. Okay. Grab just made a new high since we've entered. The Grab contract's looking like. Okay. All right. Let's swap it back to Meta. Where's my mouse? Oh, there we go. Lost my mouse. SPY is like 59 cents from break even. All right, so to the, it might have been a one person, one or two people, someone, to the one person that said break even. Hey, you might win today. But nobody said green. If we go green, then you're all losing. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. I mean, actually, technically, like if this was a competition, kind of all would be losers. But, or just not be winners for the day. I always say break even. Hey, that's what it, I would say if you say break even or green, you know, those are, I would say those are usually your highest probability. So I think we know who said what then today. He said, that's crazy, no green. Yeah, no green. I think, so usually when we get on the stream, the market's been open for like, yeah. Usually when we hop on the stream, the market's been open for a solid, what is it, 2 hours. So you can already kind of see the trend of the market and whatnot. All right, BMNR trying to come back up. Oracle got a little work to do. Yeah, BMNR trying to push. Apple mad we took profits earlier. Now it's trying to take some back. Yeah, Apple just trying to here. Let's see, where's it at? Oh no, yeah, don't do that, Apple. It's okay. Got some time on it. We'll let it run its course. I think they got a upgrade this morning, so I wouldn't be surprised if they like did a little gapping up or something. Apple can go ahead and sit down. We got what it is. Wait, what it is coming to us. Hey, Apple. Hey, we'll let it. We'll let it. Apple can run up. We'll take upward movement from Apple. I'm very cool with that. Oh. Oh yeah, BMNR trying to. Okay. Okay. Hey, Oracle can wake up too. That is also very well accepted and encouraged around these parts. Okay, Meta trying to push back up a little bit too. Yeah, let's see it, Meta. Oh yeah, Meta pushing. Ooh. Let's go, Meta. Oh, grab. Okay. Hey, new high on grab too. Let's see. Oh yeah, that 4-hour candle on grab's looking. Grab. Yo, it might. Oh, it looks like it's getting some volume. It's only halfway through, and this candle's already right here. I would not be surprised if grab did some more pushing. All right, we got Meta doing some moving. Okay. Yo, I gotta stand up. Okay, somebody voted green. We got one green vote. All right, so we got grab up at 635. Okay. We'd love to see it, grab. Yeah, 30 up 33% on grab. Love to see it. It would be nice if grab did like turb. What's turb look like? I don't even know what turb is. Turbo energy. Oh yeah, very nice. Yeah, if it wanted to go touch 20, yeah, I'll just shoot. I'll take profit on that. If it wants to do it real fast like this, what? How fast that happen? So market open was right here. Yeah, if it wants to give us a straight candle like this, shoot, I'll take profit on that like pullback of that wick. Yeah, I'll take that. Turb looking kind of nice. All right, looking like we're pulling back a little bit on the SPY, coming back to that trend line. Similar kind of fashion on the Qs. Similar to Oracle as well. Oh, grab at 336 or 636 now. Okay. And let's see it grab. All right, let's see. All right, so SPY is at that trend line. There was something I was about to do on my. Oh, I was about to do a quick package check. All right, BMNR back to the trend line on the 5. Meta kind of holding up though. Let me check Meta out on the 5. Yeah, Meta trying to show some strength. Kind of glad I got 2 contracts. Cause if Meta wants to do the bullish, yo, I won't be mad. I'll take the bullish. Meta, give us the bullish. Oh yeah, come on. Let's go, Meta. Come on down, BMNR. Let's get halfway to the. So BMNR, I had like I wanted at 50.71. If it comes down there, that's when I'm like, yo, what's up, BMNR? But if it doesn't come down there, I missed the boat on it. About to head out. Oh yeah, it's about that time. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Fam be blessed, peace out, get that money, BMNR, Meta, Apple, Oracle, SoFi, Lyft, Nvidia, AMD to the moon. Yes, let them all go. Let them all go. Yo, stay. Yeah, have a blessed day. And forge on, family. Hopefully catch you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not too far behind you because I gotta eat. Q's trying to push SPY looks like it got a little support. It's cool. I think Oracle's just taking a nap right now. Turb is, it's trying to pull back. But yeah, let's go Oracle. All right, Meta. Oh, Meta pushing up some more. Yo, what it topped out at 775 today? Yeah, it had that quick wake up there. All right, we got Turd pulling back. Meta trying to go up. Okay, I see that 5071. I like a lot better. Now MSense, I gotta say that's like perfect trading right there. If it comes there, but that's like some fast entry kind of stuff. But also gotta realize it might not hit that. So, but if it comes there, yeah, that's like a pounce. That's similar to like what I did with Grab yesterday. So I think on Grab I was like looking at, I had this 13 EMA on the 4-hour set, and like it hit it. I put in my order, and I ended up getting filled like right here, but I don't even think it spent 5 minutes down there, or maybe it spent like, yeah, Grab opens. So yeah, they opened at 589, sold off real quick, 564, and then boom, they took off back up to where they came from. I was like, that's the kind of BMN arc. That's a similar kind of entry. Oh yeah, Grab looking good. Got some volume coming in. All right, Meta pulling back a little bit. Okay. All right, Meta said, hey, we just want to chill now. Just want to chill. Let's see. All right, family. So I think that's going to do it for the day. hope each and every one of y'all has a blessed day. I hope any trades y'all are in run. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, D-Skirt. Peace out, peace out, Art. Peace out, Calm. Peace out, Travis. Hey. Peace out, George. All right, yeah. Family, stay blessed. And, yo, big day tomorrow. Once again, Meta has their event starting tomorrow. And then we got the Fed 24 hours from now. So, yo, that's going to do it. Stay blessed, family. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.